Welcome to my tutorial. In this tutorial, we want to talk about simple linear regression by applying the SPSS to calculate the simple linear regression. And we have these two variables, the expenditure and the income. Expenditure is the dependent variable or response variable, while the income is the explanatory variable. And in this second data view, we already have our data. Under the income, we have 300 up to 190. Then the expenditure, we have 500 up to 360 US dollar. And we want to conduct our simple linear regression by using these two data sets, the income and the expenditure. In my previous tutorial, I already used the Microsoft Excel to calculate simple linear regression and multiple linear regression as well. But in this tutorial, we're going to apply the SPSS to calculate the simple linear regression. Remember that the expenditure is the response variable or dependent variable, while the income is the independent or explanatory variable. So in conducting the simple linear regression, the first thing to do is come to analyze. You click on the analyze. Since we are dealing with the regression, you look at the regression in these tools. We have the first one is power analysis, report, descriptive statistics, Bayesian statistics, up to correlate statistics like bivariate, partial correlation, and so on. And we have our regression. Under this regression, we have automatic linear model, then linear, curve estimation, partial, least square, and so on, binary logistic, multinomial logistic, ordinal, and so on. But since we are dealing with the linear, simple linear regression, we click on this linear. After clicking on it, a dialog box will appear. And since we know that our dependent variable, which is response variable, is the expenditure, we click on it. Then we click on this blue arrow. It's going to place it there. Then our income is the independent or explanatory variable. We click on it. Then we click on it, so it has already there. Then what do we want to do? We want to compose some statistics here. Firstly, you click on statistics. What do you want? We want to calculate our confidence interval from this linear regression, because this one already checked the estimate of the simple linear regression. The estimate is a beta naught and beta 1. Then we want to calculate our R square, that is the coefficient of determinant. Those are the things that we needed. Then you click continue. After clicking the continue, then the next thing, or do you want to plot? You want to plot the graph, but we don't need it. All we needed is the outcome of this expenditure and the income. So the next thing is to click OK. So after clicking the OK, it's processing and good. So the result, and we can see that our dependent variable is the expenditure, and our predictor is the same thing as the income. And we have some couple of let me expand it so that I can see all the output. So we have our ANOVA. So it shows that the result is statistically significant. That is, our expenditure is normally, our expenditure depends on the income. Therefore, This is our constant, which is beta naught and beta 1. This is the slope, this is the intercept. As you can see now, we can interpret it as for a unit change in the income, the expenditure will increase by $1.649 and so on. And how are we going to interpret this, the intercept? For when there is no expenditure, when there is no income, which is x, the expenditure will have a constant value of 0.811 cent. If you find value in this tutorial, like, share, subscribe to my channel, and this subscription will enable my channel to go far and reach a wider audience by sharing it, so that I'll be encouraged to produce a more quality tutorial like this. Bye.